Today's explain the verse of the Surah Al-Baqarah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Aw kasayyibin minas samaa'i fihi zulumatu wa ra'du wa barq. Or like a rainstorm in the sky, bringing darkness, thunder and lightning. And this is another parable which Allah gave about the hypocrites who sometimes know the truth and doubt it at other times. When they suffer from doubt, confusion and disbelief, their hearts are kasayyibin, meaning the rain. Ad-Dahhak said it is the clouds. However, the most accepted opinion is that it is means the rain that comes down during zulumatun, darkness, meaning here the doubt, disbelief and hypocrisy. Waradun, that shocks the hearts with fear. Yahsabuna kulla sayhatin alayhim, they think that every cry is against them. وَيَحْلِفُونَ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّهُمْ لَمِنْكُمْ وَمَا هُمْ مِنْكُمْ وَلَكِنَّهُمْ قَوْمٌ يَفْرَقُونَ لَوْ يَجِدُونَ مَلْجَأً أَوْ مَغَارَاتٍ أَوْ مُدَّخَرًا لَوَلَّوْا إِلَيْهِ وَهُمْ يَجْمَحُونَ. They swear by Allah that they are truly of you, while they are not of you, but they are a people who are afraid. Should they find refuge or caves or a place of they would turn straightway. Wabar, the lighting, is in reference to the light of faith that is sometimes felt in the hearts of the hypocrites. Allah said, يَجْعَلُونَ أَصَابِعَهُمْ فِي آذَانِهِمْ مِنَ الصَّوَاعِقِ حَذَرَ الْمَوْتِ وَاللَّهُ مُحِيطٌ بِالْكَافِرِينَ. They thrust their fingers in their ears to keep out the stunning thunderclap for fear of death. But Allah ever encompasses the disbelievers. Their cautiousness does not benefit them because they are bound by Allah while the encompassing will and decision.